1. Identify your goals. Start by identifying what you want to achieve in life. Is it professional success, personal growth, health and wellness? Clarity in your goals is the first step towards investing in yourself. 2. Learn continuously. The world is constantly changing, and to keep up, you must commit to lifelong learning. Read books, take online courses, attend seminars, or find a mentor. Investing in your knowledge is investing in your future. 3. Take care of your health. Physical health is crucial. Regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and adequate sleep are investments that will pay off in terms of energy, focus, and longevity. 4. Practice mindfulness. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Practice mindfulness through meditation, yoga, or simply spending time in nature. It will help you stay centered and manage stress effectively. 5. Build a network. Your network is your net worth. Cultivate relationships with people who inspire you, push you to grow, and open doors to new opportunities. Remember, networking is about giving as much as it is about receiving. 6. Step out of your comfort zone. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. Take risks, try new things, and embrace failure as a learning experience. It's an investment in building resilience and courage. 7. Save and invest. Start saving a portion of your income and invest it wisely. Financial security is an important aspect of investing in yourself. Remember, investing in yourself is the best investment you will ever make. It will not only improve your life, but also the lives of those around you. Subscribe for more tips on personal growth and financial wellness. It's time to invest in you. You're worth it.